Geckos are an incredibly diverse group of reptiles found all over the world. There are over 1,500 species of gecko living today, and they come in all shapes and sizes. They can be tiny or huge, colorful or camouflaged, with or without tails, with or without limbs. And some can even change their sex. And those are just the crazy facts we covered in our previous videos. In today's episode, we will take a look at 5 more amazing things these fascinating creatures can do. So let's get started. No. 1. Geckos are known for being great jumpers. In fact, some species can jump over 20 times their body length in a single leap. This incredible ability is due to the structure of their feet. The pads on their toes are filled with tiny hairs called seta, which create a strong adhesive force that allows them to cling to surfaces like glue. When they jump, they spread their limbs fully, increasing the surface area of their feet to maximize the amount of seta in contact with the surface, which gives them an incredible amount of traction and allows them to jump further than almost any other animal. Some species of flying gecko can even jump between trees and use their skin flaps to glide through the air. These flaps of skin allow them to steer and control their descent, enabling them to make impressive aerial maneuvers. Number 2. Geckos have an incredible color palette. Most species are nocturnal and rely on camouflage to hide from predators. As a result, many geckos are brown or gray, blending in perfectly with tree bark or rock. However, some geckos are brightly colored, which they use to attract mates. The neon colors of these geckos are due to the structure of their skin cells. The cells contain sacs full of guanine, a white substance that reflects light and makes the cells appear shiny and iridescent. This reflection creates an optical illusion, making the gecko appear larger and more colorful than it actually is. Male geckos are often more brightly colored than females because they use their vibrant hues to attract mates. No. 3. Geckos are excellent swimmers. Although most species live on land, there are a few that are adapted to life in the water. These aquatic geckos have special webbing between their toes that helps them steer underwater. Their eyes also have a special membrane that protects them from water pressure while they are submerged. Some species of aquatic gecko can even change their skin color to match their surroundings, making them even more difficult for predators to spot. For example, the common leaf in water can turn green when it enters water. This allows the gecko to blend in with the surrounding plants and ambush its prey. Number 4. Geckos have amazing night vision. Most species are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. Being active at night comes with the obvious downside of not being able to see very well, especially since their eyes are quite small. But geckos have evolved to overcome this problem. Their eyes are specially adapted to see in low light conditions, allowing them to hunt insects and avoid predators even in the darkest of nights. They also have a special reflective layer in their eyes called the tapetum lucidum, which helps to amplify the amount of light that enters their eyes, giving them better night vision. And number 5, geckos have incredible hearing abilities. But they can hear sounds that are too high or too low for humans to detect. Their ears are located on the sides of their heads and are covered by thin membranes. When sound waves enter their ears, they cause the membranes to vibrate, which triggers tiny hairs inside the ear to send signals to the brain. This allows geckos to hear a wide range of sounds, including those used by their predators and prey to communicate. This ability is especially important for nocturnal geckos, as it allows them to avoid predators and find food in the dark. Some species can even use their ears to navigate. For example, the house gecko uses its ears to detect the echolocation clicks of bats and steer clear of them. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Also, be sure to check out our other videos about the amazing abilities of animals.